Hope you have seen our previous video on basic terminologies used in options. If you haven't, the link to the video is in the description below. In this video, let us try to differentiate options from equities and futures. The main difference between options and futures is that, unlike options, where only the seller has the obligation to buy or sell, in a futures contract, both buyer and seller are obligated to complete the transaction on the specified date at a predefined price. Also in futures, there are no advance payments made to any of the parties, while in options, the buyer pays a premium, and the seller receives a premium. How options are different from equities. Option contracts have an expiration date, while equities can be held indefinitely by a buyer. Equities are issued in a fixed quantity by the issuing company, while there is no limit to the number of options that can be traded on an underlying equity. Owning an option does not grant voting rights, dividends, or ownership of any share of a company, unless the option is exercised for equities. To learn options trading and various strategies in detail, enroll for our free course Options Trading Strategies in Python Basic on Quantra.